Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put on or take off this universal mount onto GoPro Fusion 360. It has these two wings right here, and they are gonna be used to attach or detach it. So the first thing you need to do is just slide it in like that until you can't anymore. And now just open these wings. They are used to attach it so it holds. And now you can see I cannot move it. And to take it off, you need to just open these wings. So I'm gonna use a pen so it's easier. Like that. And the other one as well. And now you can slide it off. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.